Buy a fully ripe strawberry. The seeds are inside these yellow dots. From the tip of a sharp knife, take out some seeds. You can plant these seeds or dry them and store for later use. Taking out seeds in this manner looks difficult. I have used a much simpler way. Take a small pot and fill it with free draining soil. Cut a thin outer layer of strawberry and put it on soil. Then cover with a thin layer of soil. Lightly press and spray water. Place the pot outdoor or indoors in a warm sunny location at temperatures around 21 degrees Celsius. Mist the soil daily to keep it moist. The seeds will germinate in 4 to 8 weeks depending on temperature. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos. Take out the seedling and plant in a bigger pot containing free draining soil. Handle the seedling with care. The roots are very delicate. Please like and share the video. Thank you.